Did you know that your basic coding skills can transform into pro-level expertise in no time? The LearNowX Python certification program is all you need to boost your career and stand out in the tech industry. This comprehensive course covers a wide range of essential IT skills that are in high demand today, including an introduction to Python, where you will learn the basic concepts of this powerful programming language. Master decision control statements, function, and modules to become a coding pro. Understand basic data structures and learn to handle files and exceptions seamlessly. Delve into object-oriented programming, a key concept in the tech world, and explore backend development with Flask. From the basics of Python to mastering web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, from data visualization to data analytics, we have got it all covered. Developed by industry experts, this online course ensures you thoroughly understand Python's core concepts and applications. So, what are you waiting for? Learn Python from scratch, all in a fun and practical way. To advance your career and increase your knowledge, enroll in LearNowX Python today and take the first step towards a successful tech career. Thank you.